Hey guys, welcome to Rukia's Kitchen channel. Let's learn how to make this tasty and easy caramel pudding. In a pot, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and cook the sugar in a low-medium heat until the sugar melts and become golden brown like so. Once ready, you're going to pour in an oven dish. Using the same pot, you're going to pour 300 ml of milk, a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, a drop of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir and boil the meat for approximately 5 minutes, and once ready, let it to cool down completely. Once the milk has cooled down completely, take a blender, add 3 to 4 eggs with the milk and blend until everything is nicely blended. Once ready, you're going to pour into the caramel, then cover using an aluminum foil, and it's high time to pack the pudding into the oven. Pour some water underneath and place the pudding on top of the water and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes to 40 or until the pudding has become solid. After 40 minutes or once your caramel pudding has become solid like so, let it to cool down completely before placing it into the fridge. You're going to serve the caramel pudding while it's cold, then flip it on the plate carefully. I'm going to cut a piece so you can be able to see how nicely cooked the pudding is. Oh my god, the pudding was super tasty. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like and share with others, and do subscribe on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.